Do you want to know how to create this super 1940s inspired look in the salon? Quick and easy. Then you have to see this video. Hello everyone, my name is Christos Michailidis, I'm the Regional Ambassador of SALON Professional, and in our today's video, I'm gonna share with you an easy way to create a 1940s inspired faux bob. Let's go and take the block and start immediately. Boom! This is my head block for today, and I'm already pre-blow dried the head block. I used the side parting. I used volume boost of SALON Professional in order to give some extra volume and super nice texture on the hair. And now I'm gonna use the tongue in order to create super nice Hollywood waves. And then I'm gonna show you the trick in 2 seconds how to create a super nice faux bob. Okay, let's start with the tongue and then we continue with the rest. I'm gonna use my medium tongue in order to create super nice and super tight wavy hair. We're gonna hold diagonal forward the hair in order to create this stunning look. On the other side, use diagonal sections towards front and always internally. First step is done so, and now we're gonna go on the second step. Now we need to brush the hair. After we leave the head block to cool down for like 10 minutes. I'm gonna use my extension brush in order to create and take off a little bit of the hairspray that left on the hair when we did the tonguing, and now I'm gonna brush it out. Once you're brushing the hair, always you need to remember that you have to brush the hair the same way that you did the tongue. So it's gonna go diagonal forward on each side, horizontally on the side, diagonal forward on the left side, and horizontally on the back side. Always remember, same direction. I'm gonna start so with my teasing brush and have a look. Immediately you get a stunning result. Always remember to brush the same way you tongue the hair. As you see, now the hair is following the head shape. Once I finish with the extension brush, now I'm gonna comb the hair with my teasing comb, and then I'm gonna use also the volume up that makes the hair to look more shiny and makes the hair to gives the hair maximum texture. So I spray with the volume up, wait for a few seconds in order to take the humidity out, and then I'm gonna use my comb as you see. Always remember, you have to work with your hands in order to create super nice and slick waves. As I told you before, we have to brush the hair the same way we created them. So the first section goes back and comes front. And then I brush the hair, take off everything out. volume up will give you maximum of texture and maximum of hold while you brush the hair. It's not for make the hair to not move, it just takes out all the flying aways, really easy. A lot better than a hairspray because I can still work with the shape of my waves. Once you're done with the comb, it's time to give maximum hold. How are we gonna do that? Use Session Label Super Dry Fix. I'm gonna spray the roots super close up, and then I'm gonna hold with my finger, and then I'm gonna use also the comb and make the hair tight and slick. I'm gonna hold my fingers right there. I'm gonna spray on top. I'm gonna comb all the flyaways, and I'm gonna give some time for my hairspray to dry it off. Always remember, do not use too strong hairsprays until you reach the final step. Otherwise, you won't be able to brush the hair in between. Boom! Now it's time to show you the trick how you're gonna create this amazing faux bob. So, section out the middle part section and take two small pieces of hair from both sides in order to create the place that you can tie up the whole hair with pins in order to create this nice faux bob. Now, next step. Once you use the elastic band on the back, then just hold really soft the hair roll back. Hold them together. Use another elastic. And just take a grip. Flip it internally, touch the elastic and the other elastic that you have on the nape, so the hair will stay in place. Super nice and easy. Then roll over and try to shape up . Try to build up a little bit more the shape. You can lift a little bit the fringe, or you can shape up, or you can even pull just some hair to drop in order to make the hair look more natural. And there we go. Here you are. Super nice, super easy, faux bob, created a super stunning Hollywood 1940s inspired look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, stay safe, stay strong.